We're going to go back to Kelingking Beach today and actually make the hike down. And we're also going to visit a couple other places on the west side of Nusa Penida. Broken Beach, which is kind of like a scenic spot to sit and look out, and Angel's Billabong. And then we'll go from there. Ryan had to meow at the cat. And now the cat doesn't want to leave. It's okay. This is intense.
This is the main road.
Oh my god. Whoa.
We're bottoming out.
Holy shit. Alright, we made it. After spending 45 minutes off-roading in a scooter.
Yeah.
We made it.
That wasn't a road. It's hotter than a monkey's asshole right now.
Enjoying our 30 seconds of shade real quick in this little...
By this little cactus farm.
Made it back to Kelingking. We're gonna actually make the hike down to the beach now.
Here, you want me to put that on my hand?
God, that's craziness.
Yeah.
You should have eaten.
Oh well.
I'm feeling very hot.
Too late now.
Scariest thing. I'm shaking. That was the scariest thing I've done in my whole life.
It's like an 80-degree angle. Just straight down. Holy fuck.
Thank God they have food down here. Got a banana and some chips. I don't think we're going back up for a little bit.
Look at the calf sweat.
This is the trail we came from. It's amazing down here, but I don't think I would do it again. This is making me feel like a wimp with how many people are down here just hanging out. Some of that, it's just like sticks tied together as the railings. And up there is where everybody looks down. We made it back up to the top.
Never again.
We're never doing that again. I didn't know if I should drink the water or pour it on my face.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. I don't want to do that again. But we did it. Yeah, we live in Florida. It's flat. We don't get to do anything fun like that. Fun. But maybe if it wasn't so hot too. But it totally made me feel like crap watching everybody else just like la-di-da going up and down. This is easy. But I really think it's because we were freaking out the whole time and like genuinely scared. But we're back. We did it. We arrived alive. We made it back to the hotel. This is our last night here in Nusa Penida. That was a friggin' adventure.
I still have so much sand from busting my ass on the beach. Look at my back pocket.
Excuse me, sir. We're filming.
I was speaking. Look at my back pocket.
Oh my god. Why is it that color?
There's tickets in there. Probably have that much in my actual asshole too. Morning here in Nusa Penida. This hotel is freaking weird. I mean, there's literally a guy on our porch right now. I don't know how he got on the porch. He must have climbed up the friggin' building. He has a hose there. He's watering the plants, but like, why do they have to do that? Packed.
Okay. Wait, look at me again.
Fuck you. My neck hurts.
Ryan's neck has been jacked up for like 4 days. And this is how he has to stand sideways. And he can't turn his head, so every time he looks, look at me. He has to turn his whole body.